say goodbye to 2010, we embrace the new year with the hope that it'll bring a renewed optimism and a little more luck than we had in 2010. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everyone! And with our first performance of the new year, especially composed about her time on the All-Ireland Talent Show, please put your hands together for Phil Coulter and our current All-Ireland Talent Champion, Coyle.
Like a bird without wings that longs to be flying, like a motherless child left lonely and crying, like a song without words, like a world without music. I wouldn't know what to do. I'd be lost without you watching over me. I get so lonely when you're away. I count every moment, I wait every day until you're home again and hug me so. That's when I knew everything is alright. Like a bird without wings that longs to be flying, like a motherless child left lonely and crying, like a song without words, like a world without music. Watching over me. You're my guardian angel, my light and my guide. Your hand on my shoulder, and you by my side. You make everything beautiful. You make me everything in my world. I lay at your feet, like a church with no steeple, where a bell never rings, in town without people, where no voice in the choir ever sings. If a boat on the ocean would be lost with no sail, then without your devotion, surely all that I dreamed of would fail.
and gentlemen, Phil Coulter and Chloe Coyle. What a wonderful way to kick off 2011 with our current champion. But who's going to follow her to glory this year? Well, earlier tonight, 5 acts tried their best to make the title theirs. After the break, we'll find out which one of them has taken the first spot in the semis. It would be life-changing for